If you're sick and tired of getting ghosted in the DMs, firstly, I know how you feel, but it isn't until I installed the pink suit method I was able to close deals for over 2 grand through DMing. And it's quite simple. If I walked into the room with a pink suit on, what would you say to me? You'd come up to me and you'd be like, oh, you'd say something about the suit, right? Just common sense. The same thing needs to happen with your DMs. Stop sending copy and paste templated DMs. That's why no one's responding. You got to find something on that person's profile that you can actually start a conversation with. It could be pets. If they've got a dog, you've got a dog. That's a commonality. We can get the conversation flowing. It could be family. If you don't have kids, that's a little bit weird. If you got kids and they got kids, that's a commonality. It could be travel. They got a lot of pictures where they're traveling. Again, that's a commonality. Food. If they're posting a lot of restaurant photos, again, that's a commonality. And then lastly, commonalities. Is there anything that you guys have in common that can allow you to spark a conversation, which you can then pivot into fitness? I like to view DMing as a bit like flirting. Clearly, some of you have no social skills, which is why you're struggling for a partner. If you can get this right, the DMs are such an easy place to get conversations going and get your diary booked out. Trust me. If you want to know more about my pink suit method, all you got to do is drop me a little DM and I'll ping it over.